Surds in brackets. When multiplying surds in brackets, use algebraic expansion a plus b c plus e. So when we expand these two brackets, we're going to have this. So that's exactly what we're going to do when we're going to multiply surds that are in brackets. So a brief reminder of this. It's like something to refresh our minds. Let's say a plus b equals c plus d. If you're expanding this, there are two ways to go about it. The first way is that this first term here in the first bracket multiplies this first and the second bracket. So which gives us a times c will give us equal to ac. Then this same a multiplies d, which is the second term in the second bracket. That will give us plus ab. And then the next one, the second term in the first bracket multiplies the first term in the second bracket. So b times c will give us plus bc. And then we also use b again to multiply d. That will give us plus bd. So basically this is how we expand. We are using this method. Then the next method is, instead of expanding like this, we are going to pick the first term in this first bracket, a, and then just multiply every term in the second bracket, c plus d, and then pick the second bracket, the second term in the first bracket, just multiply every term in the second bracket, c plus d. So a times c is ac, a times plus d will give us ad, plus b times c plus bc, plus b times d will give us plus bd. So either way, we get the same answer. So that's exactly how we're going to simplify surds in brackets. So let's move on. Solution. A 3 root 5 root 5 plus 2 root 5 plus 3. So we're going to expand. So we're going to use first term to multiply this term. So I'm going to apply this method so that to be easy and to be clear as I go on. So 3 root 5. I'm using the first step to multiply everything with second bracket. Now we give us root 5 plus 3 then plus 2. Multiply everything in second bracket. Root 5 plus 3. So 3 root 5 times root 5. Remember the rule: whole number multiplies whole number, surd multiplies surd. So 3 times 1 is 3. Root 5 times root 5 is 5. 5 times 2 is 15. And then 2 root 5 times plus 3, that will give us plus 9 root 5. Plus 2 times root 5 give us plus 2 root 5. Plus 2 times plus 3 give us plus 6. This will give us 15 plus 9 root 5 plus 2 root 5 is 11 root 5. And then plus 6. So 15 plus 6 will give us 10 plus 6 will give us 21 plus 11 root 5. B 3 root 3. 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2 root 2 minus 2 root 3. So there are two brackets, and each of the brackets we have terms. This is the first term, this is the second term. In this bracket, this is the first term, this is the second term. So the first term in this bracket is going to multiply everything in the second bracket. That will give us plus 3 root 3 over root 2 minus 2 root 3. Second term in this first bracket minus 2 root 2. So to multiply everything in the second bracket. Root 2 minus 2 root 3. Let's multiply. 3 times 1 give us 3. Root 3 times root 2 will give us 3. It will give us root 6. So that will give us 3 root 6. So next one. Root 3 times root 3 will give us root 9. And root 9 is equal to 3. Minus 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 will give us 18. Minus 18. Now, root 2 times root 2 will give us 4. Minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. Root 2 times root 2 will give us 2. 2 times minus 2 will give us minus 4. Minus 2 times minus 2 will give us plus 4. Root 2 times root 3 will give us plus 6. Root 6 rather, so plus 4 root 6. So we're going to have 3 root 6 plus 4 root 6. Minus 18 minus 4 will give us minus 22. 3 root 6 plus 4 root 6 is equal to 7 root 6 minus 22. That's our answer. C. 4 root 3 4 root 3 plus root 2. 4 root 3 plus root 2. 4 root 3 minus root 2. From what we can see, this is simply difference of two squares. Difference of two squares is when you have a squared, so a squared minus b squared, which is equal to a minus b, and a plus b. That's just what it is. So we can simplify, or we can just square what we have here. Well, let's simplify. 4 root 3, take out 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 minus root 2, then plus root 2, implies everything except for second bracket. 4 root 3 minus root 2, and this will give us, root 3 times root 3 will give us this 9, which is equal to 3, and 4 times 4 is 16. So 16 times 2 will give us 48. 48. Root 3 times 2, root 2 will give us root 6. 4 times 1 is minus 4, that gives minus 4 root 6. Root 2 times root 3 is 6. Root 6, 4 times 1 is 4. That will give us plus 4 root 6. And then plus times minus is minus. So root 2 times root 2 will give us root 4, which is 2. Now this will cancel. Minus 4 root 6 plus 4 root 6 will give us 0. 48 minus 2, it becomes 48 minus 2, and that's equal to 46. 46. D 2 root 2 root 2 plus root 5 root 2 plus root 5 squared. This means, so what this implies is that 2 root 2 should multiply, so this bracket should multiply 2 times 2 root 2 plus root 5. That's what it means. So whenever you see a squared, it means a times a, this letter multiplying itself. So let's go on to the first term, multiply everything in the second bracket. 2 root 2 root 2 plus root 5 plus root 5, 2 root 2 plus root 5. So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times root 2 will give us 2, 2 times 4, 8, and root 2 times root 5 is 10, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 2 root 10. Root 1 times 2 is 2, root 5 times root 2 is root 10, so that will give us 2 root 10. And then 1 times 1 is 1, root 5 times root 5 is 5, so plus 5. And this will give us 8 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2 root 10 plus 2 root 10, that's 4 root 10. And 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 4 root 10. E. Root 2 plus 1 over root 2. 1 over root 2 squared. So this is similar to what we have here, where this implies that this bracket should multiply itself. So root 2 plus 1 over root 2. I'll give us root 2 plus 1 over root 2. And of course, I'm going to simplify it as we have been doing. So the first term in the first bracket multiplies everything in the every term in the second bracket. So root 2 equals root 2 plus 1 over root 2. And then plus 1 over root 2. Root 2 plus 1 over root 2. So root 2 times root 2 will give us root 4, which is equal to 2 plus root 2 plus 1 over root 2. In this case, this you assume that root 2 over 1 is equal to root 2. So if you put this form like root 2 over 1, if you put this one instead of this and then multiply it by 1 over root 2. From our rule of multiplication of fractions, whenever a number cannot divide, in this case, the numerator multiplies the numerator, denominator multiplies the denominator. So in this case, root 2 multiplies 1, root 2 times 1 gives us root 2 over root 2, root 2, and then plus 1 over root 2 times root 2, same thing here, and gives us root 2 over root 2, and then plus 1 over root 2 times 1 over root 2. 1 times 1 is 1. Root 2 times root 2 gives us root 4, and root 4 is equal to 2. The next thing is, from here we know that root 2 over root 2 is 1. So here is cancel 1, 1, 1. So this will give us 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 over 2. So the next thing we are going to do is to look for the LCM. So look for the LCM, we equate them to 1 equal to 1. So our LCM of the denominators is 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is also 2 plus 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. To give us 9 over 2. So 9 over 2 can be simplified, can be reduced further. So this will give us 4 over 1 over 2. That's our final answer.